Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here cyclohexane is there. You got tertiary butyl group, bromine and acid. You are reacting with tertiary butoxide. Here the stereochemistry is specified. Bromine and tertiary butyl are seen. Acid is anti to tertiary butyl. Further you are reacting with tertiary butoxide. You have to find what will be the final product. Here the problem is in the plain side. You have to draw the cyclohexane to the chair form because which is more stabilized form. Chair is more stable than twisted board, then half chair. So we redraw to the chair form. Here bromine and acid are trans to each other, not the hydrogen. Here E2 elimination occur, it need antiposition. So only possibility is CO2 eliminate. So what really happened? It removes the CO2. CO2 is a good leaving group, it also leaves. So you have alkene formation. Everybody may wonder why hydrogen is not leaving. Hydrogen is not anti to the BR, so it won't eliminate. Here the concept you have to learn here is E2 elimination. E2 elimination require antiperiplanar position. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.